Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Prince Jahandar Shah. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, Prince Jahandar Shah was born on 10 May 1661 in Deccan, Suba to Prince Muazzam, later Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. His mother was Nizam Bey, the daughter of Fateh Yawar Jang, a noble from Hyderabad. Jahandar Shah was appointed as governor of Balkh in 1671 by his grandfather Aurangzeb. When their father died on 27 February 1712, both Jahandar and his mother, Azim Shah, declared themselves emperor and battled for succession. Azim Shah was killed on 17 March 1712, after which Jahandar Shah ruled for an additional 11 months before ascending the throne. Jahandar Shah sailed around the Indian Ocean and was a very prosperous trader. He was also appointed Subedar of Sindh. His father's three sons included Azizuddin, who reigned as an emperor between 1754 to 1759. Friend, Jahandar Shah led a peculiar life. His court was often enlivened by dancing and entertainment. He chose a favorite wife, Lal Kumar, who was mere dancing girl before her elevation to the position of queen consort. Together they shocked the Mughal Empire and were even opposed by Aurangzeb, serving daughter Zinat-ud-Nisa. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.